Get ready to witness the future of innovation on wheels. Today, we're diving into 5 unique vehicles that break the mold with incredible special features. From state-of-the-art cargo trailers with built-in lighting and heavy-duty transporters designed for the roughest terrains, these machines are here to impress. Let's check out some next-level engineering that's changing the game. Our today's sponsor is JetX. Tired of long car wash queues and wasted water? Introducing JetX, the smartest, fastest, and most eco-friendly automatic car wash. With A0 intelligent scanning, JetX analyzes your vehicle's shape and creates a customized cleaning plan in seconds. Powerful high-pressure jets and precision brushes remove even the toughest dirt, giving you a hand-wash-level clean. At the push of a button, JetX saves 90% of water with its intelligent regeneration system, making every drop count. 99 seconds per wash, 860 cars per day. Speed up your business and maximize efficiency. JetX even detects obstructions and adapts in real time, ensuring safety at every stage. Built for reliability, JetX includes a 1-year warranty and 24/7 customer support, ensuring your operations run smoothly. Revolutionize your auto shop with JetX. The future of car washing is here. Upgrade to JetX today and transform your workflow. The Box LED Cargo is a highly versatile digital advertising van that takes mobile marketing to the next level. Equipped with 3-sided LED screens, this vehicle transforms into a dynamic billboard on wheels, capturing attention from all angles. Whether it's parked or in motion, it delivers a unique advertising experience that stands out from traditional fixed LED displays. One of its standout features is the ability to showcase asynchronous or synchronous content on the 3 walls, allowing for creative and targeted ad campaigns. The vehicle can display multiple ads simultaneously or coordinate a seamless campaign across all 3 sides. What truly sets this cargo apart is its ability to display moving advertisements while driving, offering unparalleled visibility and engagement. Additionally, the side screens can be used to stream live events such as concerts or sports matches, making it a versatile tool for promotions at festivals, outdoor events, or even large gatherings. The screen's high resolution ensures that it delivers crisp visuals, making it effective even in crowded public spaces. In a world full of static ads, the Box LED Cargo brings a dynamic and innovative approach to mobile advertising, attracting attention from both potential clients and advertisers. The Vamas SB 4504 is a cutting-edge sweeper blower designed for high-efficiency snow removal, bringing a new level of performance and innovation to the field. With a broom core length of 5.6 meters and durable steel broom cassettes measuring 168 millimeters, it provides superior sweeping power for large areas. One of its key features is the blower flow, which reaches up to 11.5 milliliters per second, ensuring that snow and debris are cleared rapidly and effectively. The developed weight distribution allows for stable and balanced operation, even in challenging conditions. Maintenance is made easy with its accessible design, and the quick plow mounting system allows users to switch between working and transportation modes swiftly. The Vamas SB 4504 is also equipped with a rear steering system, which enables a minimum turning radius of just 10.3 meters, and combined with its compact transportation capabilities, makes it a versatile tool for various snow removal tasks. Operators have full control over the machine through a touchscreen display, making it easy to monitor and adjust settings. The machine's ability to switch between modes effortlessly, thanks to its 3-in-1 synchronized multifunctionality, adds to its overall efficiency. Its futuristic design, reliability, and optimized fuel consumption make it not only a powerhouse in snow removal, but also an environmentally conscious option. The Sviatovit EW25-M1 is a robust and versatile vehicle chassis designed to excel in challenging environments. Built on the trusted MAN TGS platform, the EW25-M1 is engineered to navigate through difficult road conditions that demand constant maneuvering and adaptability, making it suitable for various harsh climates and long-distance operations. What sets it apart is its excavator superstructure, which allows for enhanced functionality, making it a powerhouse in sectors such as construction, oil and gas production, and transportation infrastructure. The MAN chassis is known for its reliability and durability, key factors that make it a popular choice in demanding industries. The vehicle's versatility is one of its major strengths, as it can be effectively deployed in environments that require a vehicle capable of handling diverse and challenging terrains. Whether working in muddy construction zones or on long hauls through rugged landscapes, it remains a dependable workhorse. This adaptability, combined with its excavator capabilities, positions the Sviatvit EW25 M1 as an ideal solution for businesses looking for reliable and multifunctional machinery to enhance operational efficiency. The Pavelli STV embodies adaptability and strength, engineered for the transportation of heavy vehicles like road tractors, buses, vans, trucks, and more. Available in versions with either 2 or 3 axles, and with a payload capacity of up to 24,500 kilograms, the STV trailers are versatile enough to handle a wide range of transport tasks. For added functionality, the first axle features a lifting system that automatically adjusts based on the load, optimizing performance and fuel efficiency. The trailer is equipped with BPW or SAF brand axles featuring drum brakes, and the last axle is self-steering, providing easier handling and maneuverability, especially for navigating tight spaces. The trailer's extendable frame can lengthen up to 3 meters with intermediate steps of 500 millimeters, allowing flexibility when carrying oversized loads. A standout feature is the hydraulic movable platform located in the central area of the trailer, capable of lifting up to 20 tons. The trailer also comes equipped with a signaling kit for lateral oversized loads, which includes tables, lights, and beacon lights to ensure safety and compliance during transport. Their extendable frame, powerful hydraulic system, and corrosion-resistant design make them reliable and versatile in various demanding environments. The Pecan Gull Wing is an innovative and award-winning solution developed by the Dutch firm Pecan, designed to enhance the performance and versatility of agricultural tractors. This system allows for a pair of additional wheels to be deployed alongside the tractor's existing tires, significantly improving its operational capabilities. When in the working position, the Gull Wing provides increased traction and stability, especially on soft or uneven ground. One of the standout features of this is its ability to fold the additional wheels up into a transport position. This functionality allows for easier navigation on roads and during transport, making the tractor more compact and maneuverable. When deployed, the extra wheels help distribute the tractor's weight more evenly, reducing the risk of tipping over during operation, especially on slopes or uneven terrain. The system contributes to fuel efficiency and reduces wear and tear on the tractor's primary tires, as the additional wheels share the load. The Pecan Gull Wing represents a significant advancement in agricultural machinery design, combining functionality, safety, and efficiency. Its ability to transition between working and transport modes makes it an invaluable tool for operators. These 5 unique vehicles are more than just machines. They're innovations that push the limits of what's possible. From cutting-edge technology to unparalleled functionality, these vehicles are designed to tackle challenges in ways you've never seen before. So, which one impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're ready to see more groundbreaking designs and futuristic machines, make sure to hit subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss an update.